my giraffe. He's very wild. Look at him. See it in his eyes. Very wild. This is my wild giraffe. This is my wild giraffe. Isn't he sexy? Last cookie. Consider yourself lucky. Yes. He's so sexy. He likes cookies too.
Sorry. I don't know.
He's so sexy still. The stupid dog wants in. I'm scared. Isn't my dog sexy? What about my tree? It came off. I don't know what that was for. But here that is. That is a bell. It is a bell. I'm going to put the last. Oh! The last ornament is on the tree now. It's okay. Watch this. Stay. No. Wow. Lion! Fly again!
Now it's time for Pimped Out Dog. We'll be back with these messages.